Yes, students, now let's start the next topic, that is 0 of a polynomial. Yes, now for a polynomial px, if the value of the polynomial at x equal to a, that is pa is equals to 0, then a is the 0 of the polynomial. Now let's try and understand the meaning of this line. Suppose I have any polynomial px. To find the 0 of that polynomial, I will just equate that px equal to 0. And I will solve that equation. The value of x that I will get is the 0 of that polynomial. Let's take one example. Suppose I am having a px as 3x plus 2. Now according to my definition, I will just put px equals to 0. That means 3x plus 2 equal to 0. That means 3x is equals to minus 2 or x is equals to minus 2 upon 3. So this value of x is called the 0 of the polynomial. I hope it is clear. Right. So what important thing is that the number of zeros of a polynomial is equal to the degree of the polynomial. I am repeating it again, that the number of zeros of a polynomial is equals to the degree of the polynomial. What does it mean? Means for a quadratic polynomial whose degree is 2, then we will get maximum of 2 zeros. So a quadratic polynomial will have 2 zeros at the maximum. Right. So let's start with your exercise 2.2 NCERT. First question is, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2. I'm taking the second part. My px is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. If I take it in the descending form, it will become minus 4x square plus 5x plus 3. Now replacing x by minus 1, I will put the value of x as minus 1 in the whole equation. I will solve, and the answer I am getting, that is minus 6. So the value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 1 is minus 6. Students, second and third part, first and third part you will do yourself. Now let's move to the next question. Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomial. We are having the 4 parts. I am doing the 4th part, and the rest of the parts you will try yourself, and if you find any problem, you can ask me on my personal window. Yes, what is my 4th part? The 4th part says px is x minus 1, bracket start, x plus 1 in the next bracket. Now finding the value of px at x equal to 0, putting x as 0, 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So on multiplying, I will get minus 1. So this is my answer for x equals to 0. Similarly, putting the value of x as 1, in the same equation, I will get the value of p1 as 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So my answer will become 0. At x equal to 2, same pattern, you will solve, put the value of x as 2 and you will get the answer. I hope the question is clear to you. Now try the rest of the parts yourself. Let's move to your third question. Your question is, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Students, you are given the value of the polynomial and some values of x are given alongside. You just put that value of x as we have done in the previous parts. Put that value of x and get the answer. I hope it is simple and clear to you. For example, if I take I'm taking the 6th part. You can refer to your NCERT 2.2. I have sent the pics to you. Yes, 6th part says that px is equals to lx plus m. If I have to find the value of px at x equal to minus m upon l, let's replace x by minus m upon l. The equation becomes l into minus m upon l plus m. You can cancel l and l. You will get minus m plus m, which is equals to 0, because same numbers, same variables with opposite sign is equals to 0. They cancel each other. Next is the 7th part. Px is 3x square minus 1. And we have to find the value of px at x equal to minus 1 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. Taking minus 1 upon root 3, putting the value of x as minus 1 upon root 3 in the whole equation, I get the value, and solving the same way, I will get 0. So this is my answer for x equal to minus 1 upon root 3. Yes, students, so rest of the part you will be trying yourself. Thank you.